Welcome back to the channel. We are at Kirkland and my M2 shipper is here. Mine. The M2 shipper is here. I need help. That is exciting. Okay, I am stoked. Yes. Nothing else on the pallet. It's right on the bottom. I don't know. I know that I can open it and slide it out without anything falling, but I don't know if they will accept that. So we'll see what we can do. Fingers crossed to get it out, and obviously I'll let you know. So the gentleman is going to help me. So we'll see. So see if there's any stickers on it. I can't really see. Maybe we'll get lucky and take it all out. I don't know. We'll see. That's amazing. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. There you go.
Thank you. So there we go. First fresh one. And we got a little bit of a problem here. That's not the worst I've seen with these. Can we get something special? Not yet. Get the frick out of here. As if. No freaking way. That's my first M2 raw. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is the best. Where's that dude? I give him a hug. Look at that. M2 Christmas Coke Raw, baby. One of 250. Get the out of here, man. That is amazing. Oh, I'm so happy that I didn't miss that, right? There's your raw, there's your main line. Get out. Man, obviously that's what anybody's hoping to find, right? But I did not think it would happen. Just look at the rest, just in case, you never know, right? Now I really want to see that box, see if there's a number 3 on there. Frig yeah. And it's in good condition too. A little bit of a scratch there on the front. Oh my god. All right, I'm good. I'm done for the year. That's it. And of course that is when I run out of storage, right when I find that. Okay, that is amazing. First M2 raw. You're probably sick of hearing me gushing. I'm gonna move on. And yeah, awesome. That's a good start to a video right there. Jeez Louise, what a beauty. Okay, moving on. That Vaudreuil missed it here, unfortunately. Just check, you never know. I'm sure I can find out, but probably this morning it went out. See what's in the aisle. Children are in the aisle. Doesn't look like anything else. And there's a bunch of children. So we'll move on. Just at Maxi, and I think they got a new L case. Not quite sure because I had one before. I haven't been in here in a few days. I'm focusing on the Walmarts. Mazda, Porsche. The last one had a big hole in it. None of these seem damaged, so I'm going to see if I can pull it down. 1 second. I was wrong. It is the same case that had the big bump in it, so we know we're not going to find anything in here because I've already been through it. So See if we can't hang a couple more cars up anyway. Poor cars. Got destroyed. Okay, anyway, moving on from here. That's going to do it for the night, actually. I'll pick it up tomorrow morning. And maybe we'll get lucky and... what's it called? Point Claire will have received their M2 shipper. We'll see. See you tomorrow. Next day, Point Claire. And I don't see what we're looking for. And doesn't look like they brought anything else out, or anything out last night at all. Right, well, I'm gonna look around, see if that chipper is hiding somewhere. You never know. Hold on. So Kirkland, now I couldn't find the not out yet for the M2, and they decided to put these all in the peg instead of leaving them in the Sidekick, which is kind of funny. I guess they have a bunch of Sidekicks out, so decided to do that. I don't know, whatever. But it doesn't look like anything else came out. Just all the Forza, all the Stars and Stripes, all the Fast and Furious, all the stuff that we've been getting for months on end. Well, the thing about that, taking up the peg space and not being in the Sidekick, is if they get another box of these, not necessarily Christmas, just regular box, there's no room to put them out, so they'll just sit in the back forever. But anyway, that's my little story. I know I didn't miss anything, but just don't want to look. Okay, I think that, I don't know. Now I'm lost. Now I don't know what to do. Nothing else really looking for, so I don't know. Dollaramas maybe? We'll see. See you where I see you. Maxi. Definitely done a restock since I was last here. Probably L? Oh, it could have been K actually. Alright, let's check the aisle. Oh, we got Team Transport. They got some pop culture too. Mercedes, oh, they got a lot. I guess I haven't been here in a while, eh? Like I said before, I've been completely focused on Walmart lately because they've been getting so much stuff. Haven't been checking around here. I haven't been checking, you know what I mean. My brain is fried. Oh, there's an Audi. So what are we missing? We got 2 Dark Knights, missing a party wagon? No. 2 party wagons, 2 Dark Knights, 1 Audi. Cool. So I doubt that I'll find anything else here. Yeah. Neat. All right, let's move along, I guess. Just checking out Valleyfield. Oh, they started putting stuff up top as well. Bad idea. Christmas shippers there. Clearly been opened. But has anything been found? I don't know. I don't want to reopen it here. I'll ask when I have a moment. And looks much the same as everywhere else. I got Stars and Stripes and Forza and Old Fast and Furious and all that jazz. Alright, let's see if I can get assistance. So the gentleman said I could look at it. There's one out already. Well, let's pull it out. I don't know if they maybe opened it up to see what it was, or if a collector opened it up, but there's definitely just the one missing. So this is not going to be good filming. Nothing yet. No raw. Try to get in a better position. So there's no sticker on the top. Hold on. A little bit better of a view now. But not a great view. That is a regular down there, regular Dodge. Regular Dodge, regular Dodge. So, Dudski. Unfortunate. Right? I mean, does it really matter? Oh, it would be, sorry, it would be cool to be able to get the complete set. Wouldn't it? I mean, the only one that you really have trouble finding is the raw, or the one that you have the most trouble, but anyway. Nothing in that one. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Put that one back in. And just a big mess of dump bins here. Okay, cool. I'm glad I saw it and saw that it was a Dudski. So we will move along. Check out a Dollarama after we take a quick peek at that, but that's all the same. Okay, cool. And no 124s. There's the new square body that comes with a raw, and wouldn't that be something special to find? But haven't seen any evidence of 124s coming anywhere recently since we got all the last wave of square bodies. Anyway, moving on. Sorry, I'm just chatter. So, Kirkland. And doesn't look like anything new. Vans and Myers Max. Leftover couple of Torinos. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Torinos. If anybody wants 11 Torinos, come take them from the pegs here. Still got a Grady set there. You don't belong there, you belong here. You're in the wrong spot. And nothing new down here either. Alright, well, I think that's gonna do it for the video. Very, 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 very happy still to have found that gorgeous raw. This looks like, are there any of it here? Somebody bought the, people have been buying the GNX. That's cool. That's really the only thing that there isn't anything of. That's neat. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you at the next video. Maybe there's one more left, I don't know. It seems to have disappeared from the only other store that hasn't received one that I frequent, but still a chance. Sometimes they disappear and come back. So see you at the next video. Thank you so much again. Bye.